You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. Yes, they sometimes are pronounced exactly the same way, which is a bit of the surprising thing. They have very different meanings and different pronunciations sometimes. So let's go through. The top word here is a person who betrays, okay, somebody who is really not reliable. In British English, it's pronounced traitor. 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 In American English, however, because Americans use a flap T that sounds like a D, it's pronounced traitor. Trader. Trader, sorry. And that's exactly indeed in American English, so only in the US those two words are pronounced the same way. So top word is pronounced traitor in British English, or trader in American English. The bottom word is pronounced trader in American English, or trader in British English. Traitor, trader, British English, trader in American English. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.